Really quick before you guys get to the video, so let's meet my assistant. My assistant is, you probably already know who she is, but you ready? It is Grammy! Here's what it looks like when it's opened. And I'm just gonna put this on me right now. Just feeling pretty right now. Pretty and nice. Oh, I don't want it too high. Now I get it all dry. Okay, the first thing is done. I'm gonna do another video. I always do my lipstick first, but let's get to the video and let's let her help me really much because I do not really know how to do makeup that good. So I'm probably gonna have to make sure to really act crazy. So let's get to the video, see how we guys do, and we're gonna do something really fun today. I'm so happy that we're gonna be doing this today. It's gonna be really fun. I just know it. 2 front teeth are gone, so it's probably gonna take a long time. See you in just a minute after Grammy gets stuff ready. There we go. Really pretty, I think. I really like this. It's like really pretty. It's like a bluish and a pinkish. I like this. Do my, you know what time it is? Blush time. And I got some on my finger. Oh no. So yeah, guys, I just have to do this because every time when you smile, it just shows. I just have to do this. There we go. Check it out. See you in my next video. Bye. Subscribe, like it.